welcome back to the channel. Miles here for PJMCollectibles. Come join me this time as we unbox and take a closer look at this Subaru Impreza WRC98 by Mini GT. Okay, let's start. This is one of the motorsports legends in 1/64 scale, and this is, as I mentioned, the WRC98 Subaru Impreza. Now this model is really what I call legendary because this is the last time that legendary driver Colin McRae drove for Subaru. Okay, and this car is based on the Rallye Monte-Carlo 1998 wherein he placed third place. Okay, so before we open this one up, take a closer look at the box. This is, as what I've said, Mini GT numbered 975, the usual sealed box, heat shrink packaging, and at the back it says TSM model, hologram sticker, and usual. Okay, so let's open this one up, and while we do this, here's a short clip of
McRae in the Subaru.
70.
Joining in this little battle was Piero Liati, but he finished fourth after teammate McRae beat him over the last two stages.
Okay, now that we've removed the plastic packaging, let's open the box. It's a typical Mini GT from the box. Okay, model. Okay, sits on a plastic mold. Here it is. Oh yes, this one looks really good. Okay, do this closer. There you have it, the Impreza. First impression, this one looks really good. Okay, really nice. Okay, start it off. Okay, this 1/64 scale Subaru Impreza. Okay, roll smoothly with this gold rims, very good details. Okay, on all four wheels. Okay, wrapped in rubber threaded tires. Okay, there you have it. Oh, this one comes in a different thread pattern. Okay, really good. Okay, full diecast body. Really good. Okay, before we go into the details on the diecast model, let me tell you a little something about the real Subaru Impreza, which this model was based on. Okay, this was the Subaru Impreza driven by Colin McRae in 1998. His last season for driving for Subaru, wherein he transferred to Team Ford for next year. Okay, the year after. Okay, they participated in the Rallye Monte-Carlo. They participated with two Subaru Imprezas. Okay, the number 3 Impreza and the number 4 Impreza. Okay, this one, the number 3, is driven by Colin McRae, wherein for that season he placed third. Okay, very impressive. Okay, but in the previous year they won the Constructors Championship. Well, they're trying to get the championship again for 1998. Okay, this one was Colin McRae's car together with Nicky Grist, his co-driver and navigator. Okay, and more about the car. This is the B22, am I right? B20, I don't know, it's right. Okay, comes with an EJ20 engine, the 4-cylinder boxer type engine. Okay, known Subaru engine. Okay, it's known for really good engine, good power. Okay, this one homologated for WRC to produce 300 horsepower. Okay, enough of the car, let's go to the details. Okay, started off full diecast body. Okay, we started with the wheels, okay, earlier. Full diecast body in the color blue. This is Subaru blue. Okay, really good paint finish made by Mini GT on this one. Okay, started off on the sides. Okay, first off, you could see this is a 2-door sedan of the Impreza. Okay, very good details on this one. Okay, started off panel lines. They do have panel lines, but this one is kind of shallow, and there's no problem with it for me. Kind of shallow, but it's still good. Okay, now what's so striking about this is the swirl logo. Okay, the 3 swirls here. Okay, if you're familiar with WRCs, okay, this Subaru was sponsored by 555 cigarettes. Okay, since there's a ban for cigarette advertising, okay, they changed the 555 into this 3 swirls. Okay, well, if you kind of look at it on an angle, looks like a 555. Okay, it's a brand of cigarette. Okay, and also for toys. Okay, it's not good to have cigarette branding on toys. Okay, nonetheless, good tampos for the 3 swirls. Okay, Linel text tampos with the number 3 Colin McRae number on the door. Okay, very good details. There's some Pirelli logos as there as well. Okay, on the window, clear windows, you could see McRae and Grist with a Union Jack flag and Subaru name. Okay, window trims also have details on them. Okay, there you have it on the black. Okay, fender lights. Okay, not inserts but tampos. Okay, moving on to the front. Well, this one. Okay, this model rather, was based on the Impreza that was driven by Colin McRae during the night stage rally. Okay, wherein all these big, enormous light pods, okay, for night stage rally. Okay, all rally cars that then were equipped for night stage were equipped with this light pods, and Mini GT really did good on this, as you can see. Okay, made out of metal also, yeah, with clear plastic inserts. Okay, aside from that, additional 2 auxiliary lamps in the front bumper. Okay, very good details. And aside from the bumper, okay, you can see the intercooler with the good details there as well. Okay, and I don't know if you could see it clearly, there's a Subaru logo on the front grille. Okay, moving on to the headlights. Headlights are clear plastic inserts. Okay, not much details on them. Clear. Okay, on both sides. Okay, front bumper has a tempo for a plate number. It says P7 WRC. Corner lamps for the bumpers are tampos. Okay, moving on to the hood. Oh, this one is really good. Okay, on the hood, more details on this. Okay, first off, the triple swirl logo there, and the Rallye Monte-Carlo logo there. Okay, and this very pronounced Rallye vents or hood scoops for the turbo. Okay, in the middle, and these 2 vents here on the sides. Okay, really good. There are details on the inside as well. Okay, aside from that, mandatory markings for engine kill switch here. Okay, very good Mini GT. Okay, moving on to the windshield. Windshield is clear. Okay, plastic. Window trims with 2 wipers, okay, included on the plastic mold for the windshield, and a Subaru windshield banner, okay, there on the decal. Okay, moving on to the roof. Okay, there's also the Linotex number, okay, number 3, and these 2 bulges here. Okay, I don't know what these are really. Okay, well, if you do help me out by telling us in the comment section below, okay, what these 2 bulges on the roof are. Okay, anyway, moving on. Rear windows, okay, just like in the front, there's also a Subaru banner here, and very good details on the rear window. We got rear defoggers as well, and another Rallye Monte-Carlo rear logo. Okay, now on the rear. Okay, before we go to the rear part, okay, a period correct spoiler, okay, made out of metal also. Not part of the mold, but they just they placed it there. Okay, period correct height, and also correct decals. Okay, there are decal sponsors there as well. Ooh, very good. Okay, moving on to the rear. Okay, as usual, the 3-swirl logo, Subaru, and taillights. Taillights are clear plastic inserts again, but this one has some red markings. Okay, and the rear bumper. Nothing much on the rear bumpers, no diffusers except for license plate. Just like in front, it says P7 WRC and Pirelli logos. Okay, and sticking at the rear bumper is an exhaust. Okay, painted in silver. Okay, since we're already there, we're moving on to the bottom. Okay, chassis is made out of metal. Okay, securing the body with 2 screws and some details. Okay, not much, but really good. Okay, just Mini GT, made in China, WRC98, used under license. Yeah, it's really good. Okay, really impressed with this one. Okay, ooh, nice model, really. Okay, moving on to the interiors. Okay, interiors are made out of plastic. Okay, has some very good details on them. Okay, might as well, Mini GT, can you do a little something with feature models? Okay, details are good. You cannot see them because it's all in black. A little color would help us see or appreciate the details that you made. Okay, well, in Filipino, it says sayang. Okay, too bad, cannot see the details. Anyway, as you can see, steering wheel at front, left-hand drive model. Okay, dashboard, center console. Okay, some details, really good. Bucket seats, both in front, both driver and passengers. Okay, and oh no, if you could see them, there you have it. Okay, even the handbrake lever there, sticking out, good details on them. Ooh, really nice. And it would also be really good if this model came with a roll bar. Okay, doesn't have a roll bar inside. Okay, WRC cars are mandated to have roll bars. Okay, this one haven't got any, but nonetheless, not a deal breaker. Ooh, I really like this. Okay, rolls smoothly also. Really nice. Really impressed with this one. Okay. Mini GT also came out with different models of the Subaru. different rally competitions. Okay, might want to check them out. Okay, and also since we're into 164 rally cars, okay, I also have another one. Okay, but this one is not from Mini GT. This one is from Pop Race. Okay, there you go. Okay, let's do this. Okay, this is the nemesis of the Subaru, the Lancer Evo. This one is a Lancer Evo 4. Yes, made by Pop Race. Okay, still sealed. But this car was based on Rallye de España. Okay, 1997. Okay, this one came a year earlier. Okay. Oh, nice. We're going to unbox this soon, so watch out for it on our channel. Okay. So once again, this is the Subaru Impreza by Mini GT. Mini GT numbered 975. Okay. I'm going to leave this on the turntable for everyone to see. And before that, I'd like to invite you to my Facebook and Instagram socials, okay, for more diecast pics and reels. And I'm gonna take a ton of pictures. I'm just gonna post them there. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.
Little cars, big passion. Little cars, big passion. Big passion. Little cars, big passion. Big passion. Big passion.
PJM Collectibles. Little cars, big passion.